I got you. I got you. You want to play hard to get? I ain't asking this time. I'm telling you this time. Come on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I can't remember what these are, but yeah, all of it. Yeah.
Yeah, we are here.
Welcome back, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good night. Whatever time it is you guys are watching this, I really need a haircut. It is getting toasty. There's too much hair on my head, guys. I really don't like it. Some people like having long hair for some reason. It's not for me. I used to whenever I couldn't afford a haircut, but you see me slap that? You see me slap that motherfucking fly? That was a big ass fly, dog. But anyway, we had a full TSX long block. I can't believe I slapped that fly on camera. Train of thought, lost my train of thought. We had a full TSX long block last vlog. We disassembled it. We have the cylinder head right here. We will be finishing taking off the big bulky mechanical oil pump, getting it prepped for whenever we get our new oil pump kit in, we can install it. But we gotta drain the oil. I don't know if I'm easy to make laugh, or I don't know. I keep laughing about that stupid fly. Just smack the shit out of that fly. We're gonna drain the oil. Got our drain pan. Let's get it. So here's our short block. Last vlog we had a full TSX long block. If you want to see how I disassembled it, you could go check out last video if you're new to this channel. But if you aren't, welcome back. Alright, broke it loose. I don't know how much oil. That's actually more oil than I thought. Oh. Put that there. Oh. It's gonna make a little bit of mess. But anyway, this stuff is really clean. Of course, I'll clean it up before we reassemble it. What an idiot. Made a big mess. Once the flow started slowing down, covered. I knew the flow was going to slow down, but I ended up walking away, not paying attention. It is what it is. I have it balanced out, so once it drips and I feel comfortable, then I'll put the drain plug back in and rotate it. As expected, more fluid. Who cares? It'll be okay. Got 10s going along this oil pan. Let's take those off. There's the last of our 10s. Throw them in our little container. So we're probably going to need our pry bar, and a mallet. See that catch? So just going across it with the pry bar and just tapping it in, breaking the seal, and just lightly prying it up. We don't want to bend the oil pan, but we do need to get between and break the seal. Go. Just start prying around it. Get the rest of it off. Boom. This is how it looks. Big bulky oil pump that we'll no longer use. And here's the oil pan. I'll get you guys back on the tripod. Alright guys, so the clip that holds my phone on the tripod, turns out that thing just broke. So the phone might go shooting across the garage again. But we'll take off this tensioner. We'll put pressure on it, because there is some tension on it. It's nice and easy. Nice and easy. Not be anything too crazy, but has some tension on it. You guys see that? Do not reuse this. We'll get this new. We'll get this chain new. We need to undo the 14s and 12s, and then we can swivel the oil pump off. Alright guys, going good so far. So we have 2 14s and 2 12s. Put that on there. Turn the gun up to 4. Hopefully it takes it off. Nothing. Nothing. Hopefully the 14s are that way. We'll see. And of course not. What was that? A dowel just fell out. Guess we have enough vibration to vibrate a dowel out. I got you. I got you. You want to play hard to get? I ain't asking this time. I'm telling you this time. Come on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Now we can use the gun. Take these out. Take our pry bar. I wonder if this little pry bar will work. Little pry bar gonna work. Gonna work? Not gonna work. Not gonna work. Oh yeah, you will. It'll work. You guys liking the vlog? It'll work. Boom. There we go. Got my $2 shorts on. You like them? Got them from Walmart. Yeah, I guess they have these bound shafts in them and stuff. It's crazy. Definitely not good for whenever you're trying to race. Some people just throw in, you know, just a junkyard motor. We're not doing that. Definitely not doing that. We'll take off these windage trays. We don't need them. I don't know about you, but I'm not one of those people that are like, oh, let's send it. Let's send it. You know, D-Wix is like that. I gotta like tame him down a little bit. Pause. I'm like, no, bro. We can't do it that way. We're not working like that, bro. But long clip. But this is close to the end of the video. Last 2 things we need to take off. The chain. We'll get this brand new. And then take off this guide. We don't need this either. We want to take every precaution so we won't have to worry about it later on. Dogs are going to freak out because D-Wix is probably pulling up. There's one. Keep those. Keep these bolts also. You reuse them. But this, not reusing. This will conclude the video, everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe you even learned something. But I'll clean up the garage, clean up the tools, prep for next vlog. Throw away this stuff. Of course, like I said, pick up tools. Clean this oil stain. This is how we're looking. That's how we're looking. Not bad, not bad. I got our hardware right here. Bottom end. Everything we just took apart. Side cover. Cylinder head, which these are the Lost Motions and VTC. Stay blessed, stay slammed, most importantly, keep gunning, and I'll catch you guys next time.